Connect vacuum cleaner and the suction hose, and fix the hose. Make sure it has been tightened. Also, connect the hose and grinder in the same way. Fix the dust bag in the vacuum cleaner. Connect the power. The power damps up. Open air switch. Open starting switch. Vacuum cleaner start working. Don't forget to press the dust cleaning button to clean dust in every couple minutes. Afterward, turn off the air switch and start. Disconnect the power, then clean the dust when the power line is put up. Loosen the 3 snaps. Open the cover and take out the dust filter. After pulling the dust back, pull it back, then fix the cover. Tighten the snap. Disconnect the hose with vacuum cleaner and grinder. Remove the dust bag and connect everything together.